anytime, anywhere, under almost any condition. At Jayco, we take great pride in keeping you comfortable, so when extreme weather calls for extreme measures, you can rely on the Jayco Climate Shield. Our ultimate weather protection package, available on our Pinnacle luxury fifth wheels, seismic toy haulers, and all Eagle travel trailers and fifth wheels, delivers four-season engineering so that you can extend your camping season. Designed for efficient heating and cooling, the Jayco Climate Shield protects your RV even when temperatures hit a high of 100 degrees Fahrenheit or a low of 0 degrees Fahrenheit. To back this claim, we put our products to the test. We took our 5 toughest towables to Dometic, the nation's premier climate control facility, where independent technicians put the Jayco Climate Shield to the test against extreme temperatures. Each unit was subjected to 100-degree heat for an 8-hour period. During that time, sensors were placed throughout the coach to measure the unit's average temperature. The result? The Jayco Climate Shield maintained a comfortable temperature of 71 degrees. Each unit was then subjected to 0-degree temperatures for another 8 hours. Temperatures dropped so low, the tires frosted over, yet inside the coach, plumbing remained fully functional. When the test was complete, the same temperature sensors found that the Jayco Climate Shield maintained a cozy temperature of 68 degrees. Following the cold testing, technicians emptied the holding tanks to check for any final freezing. The Jayco coach remained fully functional. How do we do it? Well, thanks to a fully enclosed and heated underbelly, double-sided flex foil insulation, dark tint windows, and durable PEX plumbing, the Jayco Climate Shield delivers the ultimate in weather protection. So don't let the calendar dictate your next camping trip. Jayco has you covered.